Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Neteller. Access your digital wallet step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your phone or computer. Type Neteller, come into the address bar, and press enter. Check that the website address is correct to avoid phishing pages. Click the login button at the top right of the homepage. On the login screen, select whether you want to sign in with email or customer ID if shown. Click inside the email or customer ID field. Enter the email address you used when creating your Neteller account. Click inside the password field. Type your Neteller password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private device, you may enable Remember Me for faster access next time. If you are on a shared or public device, leave Remember Me turned off for security. Click the Login or Sign In button to continue. If Neteller asks for verification, open your Authenticator app or check your SMS messages. Enter the one-time verification code exactly as received. Click Confirm or continue to complete the verification step. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your registered email address and submit the reset request. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset message from Neteller. Click the reset link and create a new strong password. Return to the Neteller login page after updating your password. Log in again using your email and your new password. After logging in, confirm you can see your account dashboard. Navigate to your wallet or balance section to view available funds. Review recent transactions to make sure everything looks familiar. If your account is locked or you see an error, contact Neteller support through the help section. For extra security, keep your device updated and avoid saving passwords in public browsers. Always log out after finishing, especially on shared computers. Close the browser tab after logging out to protect your session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.